So you guys, Sangomas are all up in arms there on TikTok after that video of Pastor Mokhuba surfaced, and she detailed that she was invited to Gogo Skhotheni's podcast, but unfortunately she declined. Now, after her revealing that information, she further went on to drag the names of Ubungoma under the mud as she started coming for Izindumba. Izinyanga, you guys. She says that she does not see herself honoring the Ndumbas, and Sangomas felt like she was being disrespectful and way too judgmental. They felt like she should have declined the invite and kept it moving. They have taken to TikTok to express the shock and disappointment in her. You guys, these are some of the videos.
Bona mama Mokhuba, ngiyakubingelela. Ngicela ukuyingena le ngoba awukhulumanga nogogo othize, Gogo Skhotheni kuphela ukhulumena nathi izangoma ezinye. I'm disappointed. Angifuni uqamba amanga. I am disappointed because unempela esezikushayela ihlombe ezifwenza into right ekubeni ungenzi into right. Isona ukujaja. Isono ukujaja. That is my problem with you Makholwa, because akuve ni justify ukona kwenu. Yet the same Bible ithi izono ziyalingana. The same Bible ithi ungajaja ukujaja kukona kwakho ukujaja okaNkulunkulu, but I'm not there. Ma wena wabalekela ubungoma wena, and uyayazi lento engisho wabalekela ubungoma. You know why? Because wake wazama wena futhi ubuyihamba izangoma ekancane. I don't know ukuthi uyaphela phi indaba yakho, but wena yourself ubalekelile ubungoma. Let me tell you why. Mhlambe wena wazi, you not aware, I don't know. Ubalekela ubungoma because la ebungomeni bangempela, belaphini bangempela, ebunyangeni bangempela, ayikho indlela ehamba la uthanda khona. Why? Because umvuzo omkhulu asiwutholi ngale kwethu unuthola la idlozi lekushaya same time. That is why ubalekele ebungomeni wayendleleni elula wayoba umamfundisi. Ngizokhothela amavesi ambalwa akukhombisa ubuwrong bakho ukuthi bungakanani, and then emva kwaloko sengizokulinda but kuthiwa ke uphakeme kunathi ke I don't know ukuthi uphakama kanjani, but kusho impali zakho. Even if ungafikanga kwena uzophendula, ngizolinda zona impela ukuthi ifike namavesi azophikisa lento engiyishoyo to prove ukuthi iBhayibheli lingane kwane kangakanani. Ngicela siqale ku 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 9. Timothy chapter 2 verse 9 ukhuluma ngokuthi umuntu wesifazane oyibiza ngekholwa oyibiza ngumKristu kumele agqoke kanjani. Makhosi ma wena ufitha kuloko kuthiwa akufanele ukwenze. Yabo nje umani olifunda lelo verse konke lokho kuthi umuntu wesifazane akufanele akwenze, akufanele agqoke kanjalo, kule video engikubuka yona uyiko lokhu nje umpostoli Paul athi ningakwenzi, wena ukwenze konke. The hairstyle, the earrings, your necklace, the red lipstick, uyilento umpostoli Paul athi ningabi yiyona. Let's go further down. Aqhubeke ku same 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 12 or 19. Athi umuntu wesifazane awuvumelekile ukuma esontweni umela amadoda ushumayele or ufundise, ube umfundisi. Kusho iBhayibheli leni, kodwa wena ubhizi uyamemeza lapho umemeza ngozazi. Siqhubeke sithi 1 Corinthians chapter 14 verse 34. Nawo lowo futhi explicitly so uthi uNkulunkulu angimvumela umuntu wesifazane ukuthi amele amadoda ashumayele, assume iposition eauthority, because mawumfundisi umile ebandleni une authority phezulu kwalamadoda ahleli phansi. Kusho iBhayibheli leni lithi akufuneli nikwenze lokho, but I'm waiting for you to come. Gun blazing namavesi edefense. Mina ngiyamncoma uzaza because angiyazi eqale phi, but I assume ukuthi uzazi uye kuSkhotheni. Ngiyamncoma uzaza because iBhayibheli lenu lithi go and be the fishers of men. Matthew chapter 4 verse whatever, uyalazi wena umfundisi. Why? Because your mandate from Jesus Christ ithi go and save the lost. Insindiso, it's for the poor. Insindiso it's for humanity. When you are preaching to the converted Sunday in, Sunday out, people are sick. We never saw you performing miracles usindisa abantu. Uma kuwukuthi uyileli kholwa wena elingcwele elimsulo elikwazi ukujaja uzazi. Sikhombise phela ushumayela, sikhombise uthandazela abantu besinda. You are wrong. Urongi, ni busy nidukisa abantu ma, ngikhuluma nawe, udukisa abantu, upromota ubufundisi, ube umuntu wesifazane ekubeni the same Bible lithi no, ningakwenzi lokho. And I'm saying this again. I won't be surprised if unfika nelinye verse eliphikisa lento engiyisho, because iBhayibheli lenu, there is why most of you choose Christianity, because it's easy to be a Christian. Because today uyiloku bese sikhuza udonsa ivesi elizokuvuna. Ka spirituality no, unfortunately. Ka spirituality you cannot do that. Imthetho kama art with spirituality imile ama principles onke. Wenza wrong upanishwa manje la hayi ngale kwethuna. So ma, you were wrong to judge uzaza, because nawe kuthi uma ujaja ungajaji ngoba nawe uzojajwa. So that is what we are doing, ukuthi one umfundisi wena ume phambi kwabantu, kodwa umuntu wesifazane umela amadoda. Ugqoke kanjani mangabe ugqoke kanje sesiyakujaja. And then what? Sorry, and then what about the brothels? What about the prostitute emgaqweni? They are waiting for you to come and save them. You should have went to Skhotheni yomshumayeza, not ukuthi uzomhleba, uyahleba kodwa umzalwane. Because nje uSkhotheni ake.
This pastor, what is she hiding? If she was a true woman of God, she must have seen this as an opportunity to win souls. God, or she knew isn't Abazake. You cannot be in a ring with wrestlers if you don't understand the game, meaning the pastor knows it all because uhamba khona. The Sangomas pray to God and worship him. They acknowledge ancestors. Uyapapa lo. Gogo. OMG, Gogo Skhotheni said something. Ziyakhala ngempela, Zuki loud speaker. Hands off Pastor Mokhuba. She didn't even mention Ugogo Weni's name. Cinderella, the shoe fits. I stopped going to church because I ngikhathele abantu ebezenza ngathi baphuza no Jesus coffee. Problem kabakazalwane, as they think they were called to save Sangomas and think they are in the correct path while their actions are the opposite.
I wanna Bible hire my people are perishing because of lack of knowledge. Bana ba sa buifela ka the Israelites, bana bua le ka o. You. O yena miss an opportunity. You don't miss an opportunity haeba no wena or you are a witness of Christ. I carry yena or of the invitation. On an invitation, go there and win them with love. Problem ya ba body put Jesus ko gore ba nkile judgment ba bele ko pele as if bone ba tshwere di khiatsa le godimo o kana gana go di foresa le godimo di khiatsa teng di tshwere ke bona. Why should o tlo go embarrass ngwana what a go invite I ke go invite? If Osabate, you could have just said no. But to Otleko Kerekeng, as if wena or owner the kitchen no is wrong. It's wrong. Ungabi lemo wa another invitation and Obeles Skhotheni Creste. Omofe Creste. Omo introduced to Christ. You win them with love, not with judgment. When you've missed an opportunity to be a witness of Christ. You don't want to go out. Let your mode comfort person alone. Ngabe William wa fika wa fana ka a new point of view to ke eng etsang gore bazalwane le masango maska utlwana. It can't be that too bad. How full invitation about to embrace ngwana monyalo. Tlogela go iketsa bo deputy Jesus. If o no Sabbath you could have just said ha ke batle. When I the Kiaza kitchen al Hodimo or on the Kiaza sitting room al Hodim, to allow ethical body Jesus. That is why bazalwane ba sa kgone go tswala ko ntle ba go ministera, because ntho e ba mathang mo ditlhogo tsa bone ke judgment. Go wrong. That is why le sena le di-family, that is why sena le di-friends, because as soon as le pholosa le batla go latlha di-family, kganti you don't latlhe family how you remain with family how, then you win them with love. That is why my people are perishing because of lack of knowledge. Go bua ka lona a lona mare le domo man nna ke itse ke bone batswale ba domo so o fiwa monyetla o tlo go rarela ka Kreste, o fiwa bigger platform, you miss the opportunity. Ne man, something is wrong ka lona.
And then, you guys, this man says that he does not approve of how Pastor Mokhuba saw it fit to make a mockery out of this whole situation and her going out there acting like she is holier than everyone out there. He says that the quote, "My people shall perish because of lack of knowledge," they were talking about Pastor Mokhuba because, wow, she missed an opportunity as a woman of God to go out there and spread the word of God to non-believers, because she could have made an impact by educating the masses out there, but instead she acted like this. He says that most Christians love acting judgmental and they behave like they are the ones holding the keys to the heaven. He says that she doesn't own keys to the kitchen. She doesn't own keys to the kitchen in heaven, and how dare she goes out there and embarrass Gogo Skhotheni like that.
Recording where you have been disrespectful to Izangoma. It seems to me that you make it a habit of bashing Izangoma. I've done my research. Pastor, you really don't want to start something that you're not going to be able to finish. Neither do you want to start something that your Jesus and your God won't be able to save you from, because you see, unbeknownst to your congregation, your church is built upon something that you took from Indumba. Yes. Shall I go deeper? Because I can go deeper. Wena bakugcabile wena. You know what gcabile is? They scratched you, scarification, and they put a certain muti in you that makes all your minions go whenever you go, fire! Let me tell you something. We know you. Vendor girl. Don't start something that you can't finish. You're very reckless with your words for somebody who's supposed to exercise discernment and wisdom. You're reckless with your words.
And that was a Sangoma called Mkhulu Nkanyezi, who stitched the video and basically addressing Pastor Mokhuba for batching Sangomas. And she says that she did her research and she alleged that Pastor Mokhuba's church was built from something that she took from Izinyanga or Izindumba. She says that Pastor Mokhuba has a lot of scratches from Sangomas that she consulted, so that her congregations can be under her spell whenever she preaches. You guys, what are your thoughts regarding this whole issue? Please do share them with me in the comments section. Also subscribe or follow the page if you haven't yet done so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video. Someone said this expose is so funny because why would you come for people who can see in the spiritual? Ephesians 5 verse 11, take no part in the unfruitful work of the darkness, but instead expose them. The mandate is to win the lost, yes, but also to expose. And then someone responded and said, EOCC, Matthew 18 verse 15 to 20, uyaphakamisa nalento oyishoyo to expose, kodwa vele iBhayibheli liyazicontradicta. African spirituality is not recognized, but people must understand that we're going back to our roots. Umfihlakalo yethu abantu, which was taken from us. And lastly, Gogo Skhotheni did respond and said, thanks, it was a chance to say a sense to the world so that the world can be saved if it's still their mission unless they have changed.